Connect with yourself first is the second unlearning. Connecting with your audience is the key to success. But before we connect, it's very important that your whole body is connected to yourself first. Whenever we are speaking in the stage in front of the public, it is necessary that your whole body organs are connected to your speak. Because when we speak in the stage in front of the public, we get in the energy of the audience through the stage. And we actually distribute through your organs when it is connected. So understand this logic here. When your whole body organs are connected, you actually need very less energy to keep your words to speak in front of the public in the stage. So there should not be any distinction between your speaking and body language. Whatever you are speaking, the same thing should be spoken by your body language. If there is any distinction observed by the people, people may think that whatever you're speaking, you are not having so confident on that. So ladies and gentlemen, understand one thing here. Organizing your body language in order to sync with your speaking is the part of public speaking. Until you are connected with yourself, you are not going to connect with your audience. So remember one thing. The number two unlearning here is the connecting with yourself first.